Welcome to Series 9 of Hue Korean. Today we close the last everyday gap in your Korean journey, numbers. You've learned to build complex sentences, but you still can't say a price, a time, or your own age. Let's change that. In Korean, numbers come in two flavors, and the flavor was never your choice to make. It's not about being formal or casual, it's about the domain. Choose the wrong one and your Korean sounds instantly broken. Korean runs two complete systems side by side. Sino-Korean arrived with Chinese loanwords and stuck to administrative tasks. Native Korean kept the hand-counting domains like objects, people, and age. Here is your rule of thumb for the entire series. If you are reading numbers off something written or counted in digits, use Sino. If you are counting things you could point at in the real world, use native. This lesson is all about the Sino-Korean system, 한자어. Since it's used for reading digits, you'll find it in dates, money, phone numbers, and math. Let's learn the base from 0 to 10. Follow along. 0 or 공 for 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continuing with 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Notice how short and punchy these Sino-Korean syllables are. Building larger numbers is purely positional, just like basic math. To say 24, you literally say 210-4, 24. This logic builds every Sino number perfectly. So 11 is 11, 10-1. 34 is 34, 3-10-4. You just stack the blocks. Beyond 10, the same logic holds for 백, 천, and 만. Here is a common trap. English says 100, but Korean just says 100. It's 백, not 일백. Similarly, 10,000 is just 만, not 일만. Keep it simple. Remember the domain decides. We use Sino for dates, like July 9th, 7월 9일. For minutes, like 30 minutes, 30분. And for money, phone numbers, and building floors. One big tip for money. Korean groups large numbers by 10,000, or 만, not by thousands. So 350,000 is read as 35만, 35만 won. Even 0 has its own rules. Use 공 for phone numbers, but use 영 for math, temperature, and sports scores. It's all about where the number lives. The biggest mistake is mixing them up. Hours are always native, 한시, never 일시. Don't worry, we'll master those native shapeshifts in the very next lesson. The flavor of numbers was never your choice to make. The domain chooses for you. Review these Sino forms, and I'll see you in Lesson 2 to tackle the shapeshifts. Coming up, 하나 turns to 한, 둘 turns to 두. We'll learn the native system and the traps to watch out for. See you in the next one!